ang atong limit will only be the capacity that was on the study at the very start. 500 to 600. So, akong gibahin, I said, I think Cebu City will get from between 100 to 150. And then, Lapu-Lapu, tagaan sa nako 100. Ihangyo si Mayor Cindy Chan because she paid a visit to me. Nga, padaki-daki ka may mayor, kaya wala yung kalabayan, dagat na dahil, may bukid sa amo. And ko, I'm not in a position to say yes, but let's just try. Just pray. Kay in consolation, I will institute slashing of the deliveries there by strictly implementing na yun, the segregation. The unnecessary waste, dili na mo abot. Because consolation, we only have 80 to 85 metric tons per day. So, kung doon ako sobra, pwede imong sudlan. So, we allocate for you, we will allocate for the private sectors, we will allocate also Mandawi. Mandawi did not approach me, but the contractor were the ones who ilang tighatod. Ako na yung nag-iistorya na ko. So, I think we agreed that 600 lagi ang maximum na among idawat. And then, we start the operation from 5 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock. And we allocate the morning for the LGUs nga katong dagko kayo kuan. In the afternoon, all the private. Aron, di magdungan kay most often ang lumbay sa mga sakyanan dito maabot na sa tulo ka barangay. So, traffic na kayo. So, ato na niya, naantay ruta nga i-observe, lain ang entry, lain nga barangay ang entry, lain po ang barangay ang exit. No? And then, I added more personnel to be checkers. I will not allow entry kung ang ilang mga trucks walay lining. Kaya kung magtulo-tulo sa daan, mag-contaminate, magdalag sakit, hugaw, baho. And another trouble, ang mayor na po'y pasanginlan.
Last question.